This is my graduation.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am making a very special and unique balloon garland. Why special? Because our daughter Nicole is graduating kindergarten. I can't believe how fast time flies, and just like that we have a first grader. Our son Victor will be graduating elementary school next year, which is like, what? And why am I calling this balloon garland unique is because I've never done anything like this before. I am using blue and white colors, and I am making a balloon garland for the top of our vehicle, which is very exciting. Living in our town, it's not as common to see something like this driving on top of the vehicle, so I'm very excited to mount that thing on top and drive to school and be cool with balloons on top of my car. I will be adding a few other things on top of all the balloons. If you want to see what is happening, what I'm doing, and what is going on, stay tuned and let's go. And here is what I am planning to use for today's balloon garland. I am out of my Qualitix white 11-inch balloons, so I went to Walmart and bought a bag of 72 balloons for $4, $4.50, something like that. Then I bought this beautiful curling ribbon. I have an idea. I'm not sure if I want to make this happen. We'll see. I have a knife that will cut my 2 black foam boards, a whole bunch of cross-stitching threads. That's the only thread that I could find closest to the texture and thickness of threads that I was looking for. And I am planning to deconstruct this blue balloon garland. This is my previous video, and reuse some of the balloons for today's balloon garland. I am using 260s balloons to construct my balloon garland and a low temperature glue gun. If anything else will be used on top of all this, I'll let you know. Before I'll do anything else, I want to deal with my balloons. So I'm taking my 12-inch balloons. I am blowing 2 balloons at the same time into different sizes. I'm done blowing my balloons, I am pressing them against the floor to give them more rounded shape and tying them into a pair like this. Keep on blowing, keep on tying, let's go. Cluster our balloons. I am taking 3 different sizes of balloon pairs and intertwining them together to create a cluster like this. I'm taking my 260s of balloons. These are from Qualitix, and I am tying them together. By the way, these blue balloons and these 260s balloons, I got them from Laura Dale Paper and Balloon Company. Go check them out. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off of your first purchase, and this code valid only if you're a new customer. My first cluster of balloons, and tying this rope to my first cluster. The rest of the balloon garland I want to build as flat as possible, so it would look nice and flush with the car. So next cluster right here, putting a little bit of pressure and wrapping around older balloon and newer balloon, older balloon and newer balloon. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more balloon rope over here. Taking my next cluster again right on top of my previous one, stretching my rope, wrapping around newly placed balloons, older placed balloons, and again newer, older, and securing my cluster from every side. I've never done this before. This is so funny. Just be careful with your knife, please. We need to make our head circumference, if you will. I want to find a middle of our square. So this is approximately our middle. We approximately eyeing a circle. Or here is another trick. You take any type of string that you can hold on to. You tie the string to your pencil or pen, putting your fingers to the spot, to the middle, and hold on to your pencil. Make sure your string is tight, nice and tight, and with a steady hand start drawing. Ready to attach everything together, so I'm taking my strips, cut up strips, low temperature glue gun, putting it right on the edge and going straight to my hat and gluing it on that line that we drew. Let's make our tassel. You need to kind of see and probably eyeball and see where and how you want your tassel to hang. I want my tassel to be very full, hopefully, I don't know. And I am taking my thread and I am measuring and wrapping just like this on my elbow. Hopefully it's gonna be full and long enough. There's an easier way to make your tassels. I'll link a video in the description under this video. Your threads that you just loop like this, take an extra thread, long piece, and tie all of your threads into one bunch like this. Your thread, the smaller, thinner thread, somewhere aside. Try to straighten your tassel a little bit, and now we're gonna trim it. Threads are not the best threads for tassel. Real tassels have this silky thread, and it's a lot better because it moves very pretty. So trim some more, another little thread, and we're gonna make this little thing over here. thinner thread over here, measuring on our cap and see how low you want your tassel to hang. I actually shortened my tassel by this much, you guys. I like where it is right now, so I am ready to tie my tassel to my hat. I used low temperature glue gun to attach my hat to my garland, and with my curling ribbon, cut it up in pieces and tie to my balloons. Alright, you guys, so I am done with this whole thing. It is incredibly late. It's about 2 in the morning right now. I am ready to go to bed, and tomorrow I will show you how I will attach this whole thing on top of my car. So good night, see you tomorrow. Hey you guys, this is the next day. We're almost ready to leave. Don't mind those plants over here. I'm kind of trying to switch some things up in my living room, but anyways, you guys, it's raining. It's upsetting because it's raining. So the rain is supposed to stop at 12, hopefully. And the first part of graduation is from 11 to 1. So I am hoping by 1 o'clock we can make it without the rain. We are drinking coffee, eating breakfast real quick. Nicole is all ready. She's just finding her library books to return, and we are off to graduate. I am very excited. I will try to film as much as I can and take you guys with us as well. And of course, I'll show you how I will mount that balloon garland graduation thing on top of my car. All packed in the car. As you can see right here, I used fishing line to tie. First, I was trying to tie this whole thing with curling ribbon, but it snapped on me while I was tying the whole thing, so I scratched that and used my 20-pound fishing line. The thicker the fishing line, I feel like the better. I'm afraid to drive because I don't know what's gonna happen to my hat, so hopefully everything is gonna stay intact. Thankfully it's a short drive, so let's go and see what's gonna happen. Are you ready to graduate?
Yes.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Victor, do you see those ribbons?
They're flying in the air.
Okay. Woo.
The car will go forward.
My tripod just slammed and fell down. Okay, I'm gonna hand my vlogging camera to Victor. He's gonna film the graduation and I'll be taking pictures.
This is my graduation.
Oh, смотри!
Hello, Mrs. Miller! Yeah. 2020!
Oh, you're officially graduated kindergarten!
Yeah.
Woo!
I have my own snail.
Thank you, Victor, for helping me make this happen. And this is what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog with a tutorial, 2-in-1 kind of thing. I hope I inspired you to make a balloon garland for your graduation. Do it. It's so much fun. My balloon garland hat is such a success. All the teachers loved what I did. I actually gave my balloon garland away to one of the teachers. She will be reusing that garland this upcoming Saturday for a graduation. So I'm very, very excited. I love giving away balloon garlands and give my balloon garlands a second life. Yeah, you guys, if you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments section below. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more videos. Congratulations to all the graduates. You did it. Bye.